Hello Lovation Gems, good morning! I know you are wondering why I'm wearing this kind of outfit, right? So for today, we are going to tackle or discuss the basic steps in Philippine folk dance. But before that, we are going to unlock the common dance terms in folk dancing. So let's start. We have first the clockwise. Like the motion of the hands of the clock, right shoulder is toward the center of an imaginary circle. When facing center, movement is toward the left. Again, this is the clockwise. Of course, we also have the counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is the reverse direction of clockwise. Left shoulder toward center. Movements are toward right when facing center of circle. So class, this is how counterclockwise being executed. Next, we have the cross arms. Partners facing each other or standing side by side join their left hands together and the right hands together, either right over left or left over right hands. So this is the cross arm. Another common dance terms in folk dancing is the cut. Cut is to display quickly one foot with other foot. So class, this is how cut being performed. And lastly, of course, we have the do-si-do. Partners advance forward, pass each other's right side, step across to the right, move backward without turning around, and pass each other left side to proper places. This is how do-si-do is being performed. There you have it, class. Those are the common terms that we are always encountering in folk dance. So let's have a recap. First, we have the clockwise, exactly. Second is the counterclockwise. Third is the cross arms. Fourth is the cut. And lastly, we have the do-si-do. So very good, class. Now let's proceed to the 15 basic steps in Philippine folk dance. So let's start. So I know almost all of you are familiar with the concept of time signature, right? It is how much music is being counted. Thus, we are going to tackle the basic steps in Philippine folk dance, particularly in 2/4 time signature. So now we have the first. It is the blocking step. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2. Count 1, step your right heel in 4th position. Count 2, step your right foot close to your left foot in 1st position. This is how it is done. Next, we have the gallop. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, In gallop, count 1, step right foot in the 4th position in front. Count cut the right foot with the left, thus displacing it and at the same time taking the weight of the body with the left foot. Count 2, repeat count 1 and This is executed with one foot always leading and may be done in any direction. Let's proceed to change step or 2-step. Its rhythmic count is 1 and 2. In count 1, step right foot in 4th position in front. Count and step left foot close to right foot in 3rd position rear or in 1st position. Count 2, step right foot quickly in 4th position in rear. Next, we have the polka. Its rhythmic count is 1 and 2 and. In count 1, step left foot in 4th position in front. Count and step right close to right foot in 3rd position in rear. Count 2, step left foot in 4th position in front. Now let's proceed to brush step. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2. In count 1, step your right foot in second position. In count 2, brush your left foot in fourth position in front of your right foot. Now we proceed to close step. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2. In count 1, step right foot in fourth position in front. Count 2, close left to right foot in third or fourth position rear. Next, we have the touch step. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2. In count 1, point right foot in fourth position in front. Count 2, step right foot close to left foot in first position. And of course, we have the hop step, which its rhythmic count is 1, 2. A spring from one foot landing on the same foot in place or in any direction. The other foot may be raises in any direction, in front, in rear, insideward, or across. And lastly, in 2/4 time signature, we have the lip. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2. In count 1, step your right foot in fourth position. Raise your left foot in front of your right. In count 2, hop or spin your right foot in place or in any direction. So now we are going to move on to the 3/4 time signature. In the Philippine folk dance, we have 6 basic steps that are considered, or their time signature are considered to be 3/4. So these are: first, we have mazurka. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, 3. In count 1, slide right foot in second position. Count 2, cut right foot sideward with the left foot. Count 3, hop on the left foot and beat in rear or in front the right to close the ankle of the left foot. Next is waltz. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, 3. In count 1, step left foot in fourth position in front. Count 2, step right foot close to left in first or third position in rear. Count 3, step left in fourth position in front. Of course, we have the sway balance, or with a close point, brush, hop, raise, waltz. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, 3 to a measure. In count 1, 2, step right foot obliquely forward right. Count 3, step left foot across the right foot in front. Count 1, 2, step right obliquely backward right. Count 3, close, point, brush, hop, raise, waltz left foot in fourth position or third position in front. Next, we jump on to the 3-step turn or waltz turn. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, 3. In count 1, step right foot in second position. Count 2, turn left about and step right foot to second. Count 3, turn left about and step right to second to face the front. Now we're moving to the second to the last, which is the touch step. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, 3. Count 1, point right foot in fourth position in front. Count 2, 3, step right, close the left in first position. And lastly, of course, we have the close step. Its rhythmic count is 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, step right foot in fourth position in front. Count 3, close left to right foot in third or first position rear. So class, those are the different basic steps in Philippine folk dance. I hope you learned a lot in this video lecture. I am your pre-service teacher, Richard David S. De Ocampo, from the Bachelor of Physical Education, SEASH Department. Bye-bye!